Well, hey guys, I thought I'd check in and show you my magic table. It's going to be used for busking and it's going to be used for stage performances. So I'm really happy with the way it came out, and I'll just go ahead and show it to you right now. This is the top, which came out really nice. It's a crushed velour in a picture frame. And that's the top. And it sits on this tray stand like so. But that's not all. So, if you look, and take this off so that you can see it. When I first did this, I used hooks, and I'll try and include a photo of that. I don't like the way the hooks came out, so I looked on Amazon and I found these little neodymium magnets, and that has the magnetic disc on the front of it. You can see there's the magnet that's screwed in, and then that little plate on the front that's offset. It's offset because I left it that way on purpose. That sticks to the magnet. These are 40-pound weight, and sorry about that. See if I can get a good shot here. Yeah, let's see. There we go. Okay, so this is how it works. You take this off, and then you unroll this. And it's a little bit more difficult to do upside down and backwards, but there you have it. Bob's your uncle. All right. There we go. I didn't want to do that turning my back to you, but I had to, so there it is. There we go. Okay, selfie stick engaged. So there we go. So as you can see down here on the bottom, I have a couple of the magnets. That's to give it weight. I was sticking a rod through it that I didn't care for. And so I ordered these magnets to stick it on there. And it goes together much more quickly than trying to do it upside down and backwards. I was trying to show you. Anyway, here's this from here. And it looks pretty good. But it sets, I can't even speak. It sets up really quickly, and I really like it. I think it came out really good. It has a nice little simple, elegant look. And Vistaprint, man. So I can use that to perform as Professor Bennett. And I also got this banner right here for when I want to perform as me, Levi Bennett. And same thing, I'll put some magnets down here on the base for weight, and I can just stick it to the front and be ready to go. So anyway, that's me without having a cameraman. And that's my table. I got the tray jack stand for free because where I work they were getting rid of it, and they had just gotten some new ones, and that one was all beat up and they were just going to trash it anyway, so I took it and I was able to hang a banner on it and put a tabletop on it. Well, I had the frame. I just bought the crushed velour. So the whole thing cost me, for one banner, it was like $16 because I got a major discount through Vistaprint. So 16 plus 8 for the velour, and then I bought a 12-pack of the Neodymium Magnets, which I got with a gift certificate from work. So this whole thing only cost me 25 bucks. Yeah, something like that. So there you have it, 25 bucks. I have a really nice looking table. It's it'll work in a pinch. Hey, wake up. So there's my table. Talk to you later. Bye.